Hey, welcome back to Fishing Around with DG. I'm gonna put on some decals on my Hobie PA12. Got the old Mike Iaconelli shark teeth, tiger shark decals. I thought they would look cool on this campfire red boat. So I'm gonna put these decals on, and I just wanted to show you the process really quickly. Let's look at what we need for the project. So obviously we need our decals. I didn't take these out of the box yet. I just don't want to risk getting too dirty. Like my shop's all dirt floor, so I'm gonna leave them in there till I'm ready for them. Got some alcohol to prep the area, clean and prep the area. You should probably also use some kind of all-purpose cleaner. I don't have any down here in the shop, so this boat's pretty brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go with the alcohol to clean the area. Then we've got some soapy water, and I've just got some of the real cheap from like my local grocery store baby shampoo in there and some water. That'll give us a longer working time with the sticker. You're also gonna need a squeegee and some lint-free rags to work with. That way you're not leaving stuff on the surface that you just cleaned right before you're ready to put your sticker on. So that's what you're going to need for applying any kind of decals. Well, large decals. If they're small decals, you can really skip the soapy water step because you don't need as much working time. But that's a whole nother topic. So today we're doing large decals, soapy water, squeegee the water out. It's kind of like applying window tint on a car. Same process. All right, well, let's get it going. All right, so first we gotta clean our area. Yeah, definitely clean it. That looks good. All right, so spray down your area with soapy water. Find your decal. And I'm gonna apply the soapy water as I peel this back. Little by little. You can be generous. Eventually, what's gonna happen, squeegee, you squeegee all the water out, and then the rest evaporates, and your sticker, the glue on your sticker, will stick. So, get it kind of laid out. So this time we're gonna have to, uh-oh, something right there. Crease. There's just a crease in the sticker. All right, so I'm just eyeballing this. Sorry, I'm out of frame, guys. I'm just trying to get these even. It's like this one, that's like there. So you have plenty of, once you get that soapy water on there, you got plenty of working time now. That's pretty close. So now that you have your decal where you want it, you just start in the middle and start squeegeeing air and water out. Working up. And then down on the bottom side. And then we just keep doing that until everything is stuck and all the water is out. When things start drying up, you can use the velvet side of the squeegee. Look at that. Nice. And that's it, guys. I would leave it overnight. Give time for that water to evaporate out the rest of the way if there is any trapped and that glue to really adhere. And that's it. You're done. That's how to apply a very large decal to a kayak, piece of glass, car window, the body of the car. I mean, almost anything. A boat. All right. Well, if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on Fishing Around with DG. Thanks, guys.